In the delightful land of Fruitville, there lived a collection of colorful fruits. They were not just your average fruits, they had personalities, dreams, and even a little fruit community. Each fruit lived in harmony, but they also loved a bit of mischief now and then. Pearcy the Pear was the leader of the pack, known for his wobbly dance moves and passion for music. He wore a tiny bow tie and always had a broad smile. Pearcy decided to organize a fruit festival to celebrate their fruity friendship and sprinkle some fun in their lives. Benny Banana, with his bright yellow suit, was the prankster of the group. He loved surprising his friends with jokes that always had them in stitches. His best friend, Applejack, was a neat and shiny apple who loved everything in order, often polishing his skin to perfection. One sunny morning, as preparations for the festival were underway, Benny decided to play a gentle trick on Applejack. While Applejack was busy arranging the festival booths, Benny sneaked behind him and tied his shoelaces together. As Applejack took a step, he stumbled forward, but before he fell, Pearcy caught him. "Benny, you rascal!" laughed Applejack, once he realized what happened. All the fruits chuckled cheerfully, their juicy laughter echoing around. Even Applejack couldn't help but join in. As night fell, fruits of all shapes and sizes gathered under the glowing moon for the festival. Lottie Lemon performed her sour stand-up comedy, and Grape Twins did their grapevine gymnastics. But the highlight of the evening was Pearcy's musical performance. With his ukulele, he played and danced, filling the air with sweet tunes. Benny couldn't resist one last playful trick and covered himself in whipped cream, pretending to be a dessert. When Pearcy came on stage, Benny jumped up, making everyone laugh until their sides ached. As the stars twinkled above, all the fruits lay on the soft grass, their hearts full of joy. Benny promised Applejack he'd tie the knot in friendship, not shoes. With that, they drifted off to sleep in their fruity paradise, dreaming of more adventures and giggles. And so, Fruitville remained a place of laughter and love, where every fruit knew that the sweetest part of life was having fun together.